Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you,
Okay.
ma'am?
I'm doing good, my dear ones. Thank you very much.
Ma'am,
My,
I have.
yes, completed. Yes, I was going to ask that only. Those who have completed writing the notes of lesson number 12, please show me your notebook. After that only we will continue with the next exercise. Come on, all those Rex you are supposed to write in the notebook, not the textbook.
Ma'am, I did this and in the notebook also.
Okay, please show me the notebook. Rida, yes.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Niranjan, Risa Rose. Yes, Roshid, hold the other page properly. Okay, good. Zishan, show me the book. Okay, Anamika and Avantika. Tiva, yes. Abel Rinson, yes,
Ma'am,
fine.
Ma'am, Adnan.
Yes, Adnan, okay.
Ma'am,
Niharika, hold the book properly. Aiden Rojo, okay, very good.
Opposition.
Zishan, yes. Parvana, yes, okay, good.
Harika.
Niharika, yes. Rex, okay, I saw it now. Good. Ishan, where is your book? Risa, yes, I saw it. Yes.
No question answers.
Niharika, okay, fine, fine. Emmanuel, yes, okay, Emmanuel. All right. So today we will be continuing with the next exercise. And the topic that we are going to learn today is anagrams. Anagrams. Okay. Anagrams. Anagrams. Okay. I believe this must be the first time that you are learning about this topic, right? I want all of you to be on page number 26. 2626.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Workbook or textbook?
My dear, literature textbook. I have sent the message early in the morning.
Ma'am, Risa is
Yes.
in another place. That's why I don't take the textbook.
Okay, no problem. I'll be sharing the screen so you can take advantage. Make use of it.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, page number.
Yeah, 26. Page number 26. Those who have the textbook with them, I want, yeah, textbook. Please take page number 26. 2626. The topic that we are discussing today is anagrams. Okay. Now, my dear students, every word is created using at least one letter, right? Yes. Every word is created or made using letters. Let me take a very simple word, which I believe you all must must have learned since KG, kindergarten, right? C-A-T, cat. The word that I have taken for example is cat. Ananaya, unmute your device and tell me which are the letters used in the word cat.
C-A-T.
C-A and T. Okay, the three letters C, A, and T are used in the word cat. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all right. So, anagrams are words that have the same letters used in them, but the arrangement of the letters will be different. Okay? Another word. That means another word. We can form another word using the same three letters as CAT. But the sequence of arrangement will be different. Here the sequence is the first letter is C, then comes A, and finally comes T, right? So in the other word so formed, this sequence will not be followed. Another sequence of arrangement of letters has to be followed. Okay? Can you try to make another word using the same 3 letters? CAT, the same 3 letters must be used. But the order of arrangement of these letters must be different. Anybody else wishes to try? Niharika, unmute. Try. Thank you, Anunaya.
Act.
Sorry?
Act.
Spelling?
Ma'am, it's A-T. No, act.
ACT, right? Can you explain the meaning of the word act to me? Act. What is the meaning of act? What do you understand by the word act?
Something that is going, something is doing some action.
Any kind of action is called an act, right? Be it play, be it walk, run. Any action that is being done is called an act, right?
Yes.
Okay. So CAT, the 3 letters are C, A, and T. And in act, also the 3 letters used are A, C, and T. But their sequence of arrangement is different. So such words wherein the same letters are used in the spelling but have a different sequence and different meanings. Such words are called anagrams of each other. Did everybody understand? So what will be similar in the anagrams? What will be similar in the anagrams? Think and tell me the answer. What will be similar or the same in anagrams? Avantika, unmute. What will be the same? Sorry?
Letters.
The letters, yes, very good. The letters used in their spellings will be the same. What about the sequence of arrangement? Will it be the same? Will it be the same in case of anagrams? Zishan, unmute. Will the sequence of letters be the same? Will the spellings of the words be the same?
No.
No. If the sequence is the same, that means the spelling will be the same, my dear. So the sequence also will not be same. Sequence of arrangement will not be the same. The spellings of the words will not be the same. Okay? Only the letters used will be the same. And the meanings of the 2 words, do they have to be the same?
No.
No. Only thing important is that the word formed must have some meaning. It must have some meaning. Not necessary that it should have the same meaning as the word given. Okay, let us try to solve some examples. Okay, thank you, Zishan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is everybody on page number 26? Yes. Rida, unmute your device and read the information given there. Rida.
Read the following words carefully.
Yes.
So and pause.
Hmm.
The letters used in the words are the same.
Yes,
But
which
the
are the 3
words
letters used in the 2 words? Saw and was. Which are the 3 letters used?
A and W.
S, A, and W. You're right. Okay, continue. But
But the words formed are their meanings.
and their meanings.
And their meanings are different. Such words are
Different.
are different.
Okay.
Such words are anagrams of each other.
Yes, very good. Now read the first example.
Nail, snail.
Yes. Now the first example given here is Nails, right?
Yes.
Example. What is the spelling of the word snail?
Nail.
Yes. Nails. 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 And what is the anagram formed?
Snail.
Spelling?
Snail.
Snail. Which are the 5 letters used in the spellings of both these words?
Nail and S.
Fantastic. And you said it appropriately. Very good. Nail and S. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Rida. Anna Mary, read the next example.
Ma'am.
Sail.
Sailed.
Sailed. Sailed. What is the anagram formed? Spelling? Ladies. Ladies. Which are the letters used in both these words? Haven't said properly. Which are the letters used? Anna.
AIL.
E and?
E and D.
Yes, Saile and D. Are the same letters used in both the words?
No.
Check.
No, ma'am.
No. Which letter is different? Sailed and ladies are the same letters used in both the words.
Yes.
Yes, of course. The same letters are used in both words. Then only they will be called anagrams. That is one important rule about anagrams, okay? The letters used must be the same. But the meanings, there is no compulsion that the meanings should be the same. The word created must have some meaning. That is a rule. But not compulsory that it must have the same meaning as the other word. All right, did everybody understand that? So, okay, good. Heaven, unmute your device. Let us try to solve the exercise now. Read the first one.
But.
Read it one more time.
Pat.
Pat, yes. Spelling?
P-A-T.
P-A-T, Pat. Now I want you to read the clue. Read the clue first.
Clue. Water comes out of it.
Yes, tap, yes. Spelling?
T-A-P.
Yes. Are the letters used in both the words the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me which are the letters used in the 2 words?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
P-A-N-T.
P-A and T. Yes. Very good, Heaven. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Welcome. Adnan, unmute. Read the second one. Adnan, unmute. Try again. Unmute. Touch the speaker icon one time. Yeah. Read the second word.
Break.
Spelling.
B-R-E-A-K.
Okay, now read the clue.
This is a person who bakes cakes and breads.
Yes. A person who bakes cakes and breads. What is that person called?
Baker.
Baker. Very good. Spelling.
B-A-K-E-R.
Okay. Please repeat.
B-A-K-E-R.
B-A-K-E-R. A person who bakes cakes and breads is called a baker. Okay, good, Adnan. Thank you.
Thank
Ishan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one. EAT. Read the clue.
We drink it.
We drink it. Try to form a word. Yeah.
T.
Spelling.
T-E-A.
Very good. TEA. Tell me the letters which are used in both the words. Letters used in both these words. Eat and T.
E-A-T.
Yes. EA and T. EA and T are the letters used in both these words. Thank you, Ishan. Good.
Ma'am.
Rex, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Rex, try the fourth one.
Bread.
No, I want you to read the word, first word that is given there.
Bread.
Read the word. If you are not able to read the word, read its spelling.
B-E-A-R-D. Bread.
No. B-E-A-R-D. 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 Yes, Rex. Read it properly. B-E. How would you read B-E?
B.
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 A-R-D. Beard. Beard.
Beard.
Beard.
Beard.
Beard.
Beard.
What is a beard? You know what is a beard?
We eat it for breakfast.
No. What is B-E-A-R-D? B-E-A-R-D. I pronounce the word for you. Beard. Beard. What is a beard? Who knows? Let me stop sharing. What is a beard? What is the meaning of beard? Who can tell me? Nobody knows what is a beard? Who knows what is a beard? Nobody knows. Have you heard the word before or read it somewhere? Say yes or no. 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 Thumbs down. Thumbs down. Okay, fine. No worries. I will tell. Okay. Okay, fine. Parvana. You must have seen some men, your uncles and all, grown up men, elder men, who have facial hair on this part of their face, this part. Some grow facial hair, men. Have you seen? I thought, yes, you have seen. Now I can see thumbs up. Yes, that is called a beard on this part. Understood? From the cheeks to the chin, this part. Seen? That is called a beard. Beard. Repeat the word. Beard. Yeah. And some have facial hair on this part below the nose, this part, that is called a mustache. Mustache. Only men, okay? Got it? These are commonly used words. Those who read will definitely be able to understand them and know about them. Okay? Now, do you remember what did I tell you in the beginning of the year? I had asked all of you to make something your best friend. What was that? Do you remember that?
Books.
Books. So if you read books, you will definitely come across all these words. Now, did you understand the difference between the usage of beard and mustache?
Ma'am, I see
Understood?
the beard.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I see the beard.
Okay, fine, Rishit.
Ma'am, I also see.
Now everybody has understood the meaning of the word.
Ma'am, I noticed beard.
Now everybody has seen, right? And when I asked earlier, nobody had even heard the word. Yes. So you must try to read a lot. Then you will come across such words. Okay. Now see, you all must be thinking, oh, is it that? Yeah, now I know about it, right? So if you read lots of books, this situation will not happen. Understood, everyone? Okay, let us continue. Yes, Rex. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So the word is, I want you to read it one more time. Let me see whether you remember the pronunciation or not.
Beard.
Beard, yes, beard. Okay, now read the clue.
We eat it for breakfast.
Not fast. We eat it for breakfast. Breakfast.
For breakfast.
Yes. Tell me the answer.
Beard.
So, what? Please repeat the answer. What do we eat for breakfast?
Bread.
Bread, yes. We eat bread for breakfast. Tell me the spelling of the word bread.
B
Hmm.
E E A.
No. Rex, you are getting confused with these two words. One is to be read as beer and the other word is bread. B-R. Which letter says R? Bread.
R.
R, yes. B-R.
D.
E-A-D. B-R-E-A-D. Bread.
Bread.
B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Do both these words have the same letters in them?
No.
No? Tell me which letter is different.
D E A R D.
Hmm.
D E A R and D.
B-R-E-A and D. Are the letters used the same or not?
Yes.
Yes, the letters used are the same. Are their meanings the same?
Yes.
Are the meanings the same? One is beard and the other one is bread. Do they have the same meanings?
No.
No, not at all. Words that have the same letters used in their spellings but don't have similar meanings, the same meanings, are called anagrams. Okay, so the two words beard and bread are anagrams of each other. Did you understand, Rex? Did you understand? Okay, fine. Try to remember. Thank you. Let us continue with the next one. Niranjan, unmute. Read the first word.
Rats.
Spelling?
R-A-T-S.
R-A-T-S. Rats. Read the clue.
They twinkle in the sky at night.
I want you to read the second word of the clue one more time.
They twinkle in the sky at night.
Yes, they twinkle in the sky at night. Tell me the answer. What twinkle in the sky at night?
Star.
Star. Yes, stars. S-T-A-R. Star. Are the spellings are the letters used in both the words the same?
Yes.
Yes. Which are the four letters?
R-A-T and S.
R-A-T and S. Very good. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Roshid, unmute. Try the sixth one.
Stare.
S. Spelling?
S-T-A-R and S.
No.
E. And E.
S-T-A-R and E. Stare. Roshid, can you tell me the meaning of stare? What is the meaning of stare?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? Okay, no worries. I will help you to understand it now. Who can tell me the meaning of stare? What is the meaning of stare? There are two words which have the same pronunciation, almost the same pronunciation. Stare, but they have completely different meanings. Dear Denny, unmute, try. S-T-A-R-E.
Steps.
That is one word, but the spelling of that stare is something different. Who can tell me the spelling of stair, which means steps used to climb up or down? Rida, try.
S-T-A-I-R-S.
Yes, very good. S-T-A-I-R-S means stairs or steps used for climbing up or down. Very good, Rida. This is the other stair that we are talking about. Agnes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the spelling of this stair that we are talking about? How do you spell that word?
S-T-A-R-E.
R-E.
R-E.
Yes, S-T-A-R-E. What is the meaning of that word? Stair. S-T-A-R-E. S-T-A-R-E. Stare. S-T-A-R-E. Stare. What is it?
I forgot.
Forgot?
Yeah.
No worries.
Ma'am, I know.
Rida, please wait. Let me see if anybody else knows. I gave you a chance already, right? Let me see. Yes, Adnan is raising his hand. Try. Unmute.
Stare.
Yeah, S-T-A-R-E. What is the meaning of stare? I asked you the meaning only. S-T-A-R-E. Stare means? No? Okay, no problem. Ishan, unmute.
Tears.
What did I ask now? What did I ask now? I asked you the meaning of the word stare, right? S-T-A-R-E. And you are giving me the answer to some other question. Nora, unmute.
Looking at someone.
Yes, to stare means to look at someone or something continuously. That is very important. Not just looking. To look at someone or something continuously is called stare. Okay? Continuously, that word plays a very important role there. To look at someone or something continuously is called staring. Understood, everyone? Yes, this is how we come across and try to learn new words. All right? Yes? Okay, good. Nora, thank you. Okay. Now let me give a chance to someone else. Abel Rinson, unmute. Read the clue for the sixth word. Read the clue.
When we sell side,
No, Feel.
feel
Yes. When we
sad.
feel sad,
This
hmm,
come from
hmm,
our
hmm.
life.
These come from
Eyes,
our,
eyes.
yes, these come from our eyes. When we feel sad, what comes from our eyes? What come from our eyes when we feel sad or when we cry?
Yeah.
Tears, yes. Tell me the spelling.
Tears.
Tears, tears. When we feel sad or we cry, tears come out of our eyes or tears come from our eyes. Abel, tell me, are the letters used in both the words the same?
No, T-E.
Say again.
T-E-A-R-S.
Yes, T-E-A-R and S. Okay, very good. Now, my dear students, I want all of you to check whether you have written down all the answers correctly or not. Thank you, Abel. Good effort. All of you. And make sure that the letters used in both the words as anagrams are the same. Check. Please check the answers. Are the letters used in both the words given here the same? Did you check? Yes. So what are such words so formed called? Wherein the letters used in the spellings are the same and the words have some meaning to them. Not necessarily the same meaning. What are such words called? Such words are called the Rida. Rida wanted to answer, right? What are such words called? Yes, they are called anagrams of each other. They are called anagrams of each other. Okay. For example, pat and tap. These two words are anagrams of each other. Pat is the anagram of tap and tap is the anagram of pat. Words such formed are the anagrams of each other. Is it clear to all of you? I hope all of you have understood this exercise. Yes? Did you?
Yes.
You have learned the meaning and usage of some more words as well, right? Yes? Okay. So keep your promise and make best friends with
Books.
birds. Try to follow it. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
And whenever you come across a new word which you find difficult to read or understand, you can note it down somewhere and get it clarified in the next session. Okay? Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.